Alright, what's going on everyone? We are back with another video. We are at Shop U7, there you go. A lot of heat drop today. The Off White Ikea drop on Friday, and then today you had the Soft Vision 500s and also the Fearless ones. So we're gonna go check them out. We got some action going on here in Shop U7. Look at this negotiation going on. Lay down the rules right now. What's going on?
Dakota.
I'll be the referee.
So what's happening? You're gonna flip for what?
This is what's happening. My man's right here wants to sell us this Palace Tri-Ferg Dunkin' Donuts exclusive and this brand new Supreme Tea.
Right,
I offered him 120, it's too low. He wants 140. We're gonna flip a coin. Tails, he gets 140. Heads, we pay him 100.
Ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, and I gave you a roll. And I gave you a roll. Let's go! Let's go! And it's heads! Oh! I've been telling you that shit. Yes! Yes!
I know it, fam. I just call it every time. Heads never fail, guys.
He literally flipped 3 practice flips before this, and he had tails every time. And once he go live, it goes heads. Alright guys, so no soft visions that came through the store, unfortunately. Here in Boston, only 2 stores got them, kind of far away from them, so no one brought them in. We got mad pairs of the Fearless Jordan 1s.
10 plus.
10 plus pairs of the Fearless Jordan 1s. These are fire. I ended up hitting for these on the sneakers app, so I will have a more in-depth review coming soon. I also picked up those Soft Vision 500, so once they come in, I'll have a review on those. I do like the UNC heel, and I like the Chicago toe, patent leather, you can't go wrong with it. You got the Fear tag on here as well. I like these more than the recent Shattered Backboard 3.0s that they still have. These ones, I like the colorway. I'm just not a fan of that crinkled effect on these. Right now, resale value on them is like $300, but I do think it's gonna drop down a little bit once people get their pairs in from Nike. I think they're clean, definitely a clean sneaker. All right, so a pair of sneakers just came through the shop. Dude wanted $1,500 for them, right? Turns out they're fake. Absolutely crazy. It caught everyone by surprise because they took the shoes in, then they're gonna legit check them. Kind of looked it up online because these are crazy rare. Show you how to legit check these. They're not for resale. Yeah, these things are fire. What do they go for like $2,500 dead stock in some sizes. Jeez. Always be careful where you're buying your stuff from.
This looks so flush to a normal pair of J's. So you always want to look for on a real pair or fake pair of Jordans, right? Is this suggested retail tab, should be perforated. These are fake, that's how good this is. It's got a stamp as if it came from a legit factory, and the stitching is all on point. The only way to really tell with this shoe, based on what I've seen on the internet and what we've seen, so when you're looking through here, it's very delicate, but right there, you can see a little bit of an outline of a circular stamp.
Look at that.
And that just shows that it came from an unauthentic factory. Material right here for the sole is not official.
Absolutely insane. Had to pull out the black light just to check these shoes, man. Yeah, so you saw the little stamp? That's stamped from the Foo-Foo factory. Crazy.
The Foo-Foo
The Foo-Foo factory stamp. Only can check it through a black light. So if you have pairs, might as well go through now. Friday, there was the Off White Ikea collaboration. Was it packed? I didn't go, I didn't wait in line. Vic did. The Mona Lisa available? Did you get it?
No, I wish.
Dude, that was the piece I really liked. This is what he picked up from the collection, is the wet grass. And then you want, what is that? Just a regular tote bag? The sculpture? How much did that retail for?
I'm pretty sure, I think it was like 20 bucks.
20 bucks?
Toolkit's pretty dope. I like it. It has a nice little set of Allen keys, which is dope.
What's it say across it? Oh, homework?
Yep.
How much did that retail for?
This one was, I'm pretty sure either 25 or 20 bucks.
How much? This one was like $250, and then this one was the cheaper one.
This is 100. I like it because it looks like a receipt. It's pretty dope.
Roll that thing out. see that.
See how the bottoms is all cut? It's cut up. Like,
Yeah.
the receipt looks pretty
Yeah,
good.
it's all cut up here. This isn't US money, is it? Oh, it's probably... Someone from the comments, let me know what this is. Please let me know. I could be just an idiot. We're getting taxed 10%. We're getting taxed 10%. Massachusetts, 6.25%. Just letting you guys know. Wow, and so that's the IKEA collection. Definitely the white grass. I'm walking up the white grass. Oh, I'd even show them this too. This is the tag on the thing. We even show them this. How that there is Virgil Abloh. I just wanted to show you the Off White Ikea collection real quick. Let me know too down in the comments if you picked anything up. What's resale on this stuff? We didn't even talk about resale value.
Well,
What's the most?
I can tell you.
Well, the most hyped item is the wet grass.
Yes.
And I think it's going for what? $400? You
Yes,
said?
just about.
$400. I think it's worth $400. I think it's a dope piece for your dorm room, apartment. Awesome conversation piece too when people come in. I think it's a must cop. So this is what I'll probably be taking home today. The wet grass rug. Been looking for something for my place. This is definitely coming home with me. But what are we gonna do? We're gonna do a flip for it. All right, guys. Now we're coming down towards the end of the video, and we're gonna end this off by getting everyone's opinion in the store on what they think about the Fearless Jordan 1s. Vic, real quick, copper drop. Hello, copper drop.
It's a flip.
It's a flip. Guy in the store. This is a copper drop. Drop. So guys, that is the video for today. As always, I appreciate you for tuning in. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and like, subscribe. You know the rules. That's it. We're wrapping it up at the store. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.